Hello everyone! Today, Sunny will try a very fun art activity, marble painting. The material are colors, glue, paper, and water. Today, Sunny is busy focusing on making marble painting. So, Mommy will help tell the story and see how Sunny creates these beautiful artworks. First, Sunny pour water and glue into a tray, then stir them well. Next, Sunny drop the colors in. Today, Sunny chooses blue, yellow, pink, purple, red, and green. When the colors spread on the glue and water, they create beautiful effects. For children's safety, we can use a homemade glue made with simple powders. After that, Sunny gently places strips of paper on top to shake up the colors. Then slowly lifts it up. Wow! A wonderful marble painting appears. Sunny makes a few more paintings and each one look different, unique, and surprising. Let's enjoy some more of Sunny's paintings together. Don't forget to tidy up after painting. If any paint or glue touches your eyes or mouth, wash it off right away with clean water. Thank you for watching Sunny make marble paintings. You can also try this at home and create your own colorful artworks.